Hello everybody, I just thought I'd make this little video to show you how to make this twisted macrame braid to support the Facebook Live tutorial that I've just done, because I hope that you were able to see what I was doing, but just in case, here's a little tutorial on how to do it. So watch the Facebook Live to see how to get all of this prepped, but then the stitch is taking one side and making a figure of 4, and then taking the other side, the other cord, you have to go over this cord here, okay, and then you take the end underneath here, like so. So I'm going to pull that through. And then what you end up with is this. So you end up with one piece of cord above, you can see there, one piece of cord below, this one's going through that hole, this one's going through there, and then you pull nice and tight, like so. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. I'm going to take that like that, and then we take our end, and we're going to thread it up underneath that cross. So I'm going to lift that, and we send it up there. You see that? So it's going underneath the purple, underneath the pink. But what's important is this is above the pink on this side. So they both end up, see how that's doing that? And that. And then you pull. Okay? And then let's do one more. But like I said, watch the Facebook Live video and you'll be able to see how I've done it. Like that. So there we go, there's our cross there, okay, and then we take this underneath and up through there like so, and we pull that nice and tight. All right, good, great. If you've got any questions, then feel free to leave a comment and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you, bye.